Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered why kombucha is all the rage these days? It's not just a fad, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. I'm here to spill the tea, quite literally, on the nutritional benefits of this fizzy, fermented drink. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll be a kombucha connoisseur. First things first, what is kombucha? You might have seen it on store shelves or heard friends rave about it, but what exactly is it? Kombucha is a fermented tea made by adding a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, often referred to as a SCOBY, to sweeten tea. This might sound a bit scientific, but it's actually quite fascinating. Sounds fancy, but it's really simple. You can even brew it at home with just a few ingredients and some patience. This process creates a slightly tangy, effervescent drink that's loaded with probiotics. It's like a party in your mouth with every sip. Now let's talk about those probiotics. These tiny microorganisms are the unsung heroes of gut health. These are the good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. They play a crucial role in digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance mood and mental health. Imagine feeling better from the inside out. So by sipping on kombucha, you're basically giving your gut a big high five. But that's not all. There's more to this magical elixir. Kombucha is also rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds are essential for fighting off oxidative stress. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells. This means they can help keep your body in tip-top shape. This means kombucha can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. It's like having a natural defense system in a bottle. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Kombucha is a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Kombucha contains B vitamins, vitamin C, and trace minerals like zinc and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions. These nutrients are crucial for energy production, immune function, and overall well-being. Imagine having a natural energy boost without the crash. You might be wondering about the sugar content. After all, it starts with sweetened tea. During fermentation, the sugar in the tea is broken down by the SCOBY. This process not only reduces the sugar content but also creates beneficial acids. So while kombucha does contain some sugar, it's generally much lower than most sodas or fruit juices. It's a healthier alternative for those looking to cut down on sugar. Plus, the benefits far outweigh the sugar content. It's a small price to pay for such a powerhouse of nutrients. Now I do have a little tip for you. When buying kombucha, it's essential to be a savvy shopper. Not all store-bought kombuchas are created equal. Some brands add extra sugar or artificial flavors, which can negate some of the health benefits. Always read the label and look for kombucha with natural ingredients and minimal additives. Your gut will thank you for it. So there you have it. Kombucha is not just a trendy drink. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your gut, immune system, and overall health. Whether you're a seasoned kombucha lover or just curious to try it, now you know why this fizzy drink is worth a sip. It's a delicious way to boost your health. Kombucha is not just a trendy drink. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your gut, immune system, and overall health. Whether you're a seasoned kombucha lover or just curious to try it, now you know why this fizzy drink is worth a sip. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and tricks. Cheers to your health!